spent quite a bit of time over the weekend working on the village, and I got a lot accomplished. Finished the mountain facade, created a hill for the airport to sit on, got those 9 houses all lit up, worked on tacking down all the cords. I'm still working on hiding some of them. So like this one here and this one. And then I have some over in the suburb section that I need to hide as well. Grabbed more trees from both Lowe's and Walmart. Working on putting down grass in the park. Ran out of my turf powder. I'm going to grab some at Hobby Lobby. I need to fix this area here, which I know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put a piece of tape over it and then put my turf powder on it. Worked on adding accessories to the farm section. So a couple weeks ago, my husband got me those little headstones, and when I got them, I knew right away what I wanted to do with them. So I worked on that this weekend. I took toilet roll, cut it down the size, covered it with glue, rolled it into the little gravel stuff, put them in their places, pinned them down with straight pin, and then put more of that gravel on top of them. And then I'm gonna go around this way so I'll show you better. So since this is the farm section, I thought I should have a gravel road. So what I did for that is I took a couple pieces of duct tape, sticky side up, pinned it down with the straight pins, dumped down the middle the sand, and then took a brush and just kind of evened it out, then added a little bit of the gravel to it. So now what I have to do is finish putting all the accessories, and then we have to build the bridges. I think if everything goes well, I should be done by Saturday.